Hi, I'm Carmen Stevens and I'm the winemaker for Amani Vineyards. Today we're tasting the Amani Sauvignon Blanc 2007 vintage. We start off by looking at the color, and it's a light pale color, which is a very good indication. Go over to the nose. The wine is very refreshing, very limey, minerally on the nose. Also very typical of the variety, which is your more ripe fig and gooseberry flavors that's coming through, but also the lime aspect to keep it nice and fresh. On the taste, the wine is nice and light, lots of lime, the fig and gooseberry, also really ripe cranberries is also coming through, and it ends off quite limey, light, and then it lingers with a lime aftertaste and texture. I guess this wine, by the taste, would go very good with sushi and fish, and also salad. And salad with goat's cheese would go actually very nicely with this wine. The second wine we're doing is the Amani Chardonnay 4. And again, we look at the color. Has a nice deep straw color as an indication of wood maturation, but also some bottle age, which is possible on the 04. On the nose, the wine is quite flinty, lots of lemons, lots of oranges, some nice date flavors, and a slight perfume edge to it. Wow. The same flavors coming through on the palate. A nice flinty that goes over into a salty texture. Date on the after palate. And also a nice lime, clean linger. There's also nice corn on the mid palate. The wine had oak, but it's still nice and in balance, shows nice finesse, nice subtle finesse in wood influence on the wine. And a really flattering nose on this wine. And I guess this wine would go really, really well with sushi because of that nice salty aspect to the wine and flintiness. And again, a creamy dish would also go nice because of the acid would break the creamy texture of the food. And I guess a nice light curry would also go well with this. The third wine we're doing is the Amani Cabernet Franc-Merlot 2006 vintage. Again, we look at the color. It's a nice deep purple color with a lightness to the rim. The nose, lots of vanilla, inviting, sweet licorice flavors, with berries and some pepper spice on the nose, and also a lime clean edge on the second nose. The palate's very elegant, very nice integrated tannins, a lovely fruity mid palate, lingers with again the vanilla, licorice, and dark chocolate on the aftertaste. Well balanced wine. The wood, fruit, and the acid is very well balanced on this wine. It's a nice warming linger, licorice, really, really tasty, I think beautiful wine. I think this wine would go really good with any beef fillet, rack of lamb, and because of the vanilla sweet element of the wine, I think it will also go good with desserts, but must be chocolate based. And I guess even duck will go well with duck as well.